You've got your LLC set up. Well, what do you do afterward? The first thing you need to do after you get an LLC, this is not a requirement, but a recommendation, is to go get an EIN. You can do that directly through the IRS. Use the link below to make sure you're going to the right place. The reason I like to do this is if you don't, you'll be using your own social security number with the bank, and it's just more opportunity for your social security number to be out there and to bring it back to you personally. Step 2, take that EIN and your LLC to a bank and get a business bank account. I want you operating your business out of a separate business bank account. This is actually how you make the LLC work for you. If you don't get that separate business bank account, there isn't any separation between the business and your personal life, so you could lose that liability protection that you're going for. So make sure you go get a business bank account. And when you get that bank account, get it to a point where all of the income is related to the business and all of the expenses are related to the business. You do not want to be grocery shopping out of your business account. You don't even want to be paying for bills personally. If you have a business bill, you need to put money in the account, either as a loan or an investment, and then have the business make the payment. The third step I want you to take is you've got to have an operating agreement. If there are 2 or more people, you absolutely have to. Again, this is not a requirement, it's a private document, but you need to clarify who owns what. If you're a single member LLC, get the simplest thing you can and sign it just to show from the start that you were the 100% owner. You may work with lots of people. Someone may think that they have ownership. You may have a conversation about it, but you want it documented that you're the 100% owner, and it also shows that you're following the LLC formalities to make sure that LLC holds up in court. If you're 2 people or more, I would recommend talking to a lawyer about it. If you're 2 people and you don't want to pay a lawyer, Drafted Legal has a really good workflow to make sure you're asking all the right questions of each other so you can work through it together and put it down on paper and sign it, and then maybe one day go to a lawyer and flush it out even more. And then your next step would be, the ongoing business legal steps, which would be like getting contracts, making sure those are in good order, making sure your trademark and intellectual property is protected. Go to draftedlegal.com/start, and there is a checklist of everything you need to do to make sure you're protected. Hope that helps.